Go to head coach Chris Gould as the men get a win today in the NAIA opening round against Our Lady of the Lake. Coach, first of all, congratulations. A great win. You guys are heading to Alabama. That's awesome. Just talk about today's game. You know, scoreless for most. You guys had a lot of chances. They hit one off the post. You guys came back, 10 minutes later and got one yourselves.
Yeah, I thought they countered very well. They had really good movement, and it was always going to be a game of who gets that first goal. We know if we got the first goal, we could control the tempo of the game and kind of play our way, but we had to earn it today. And that was a very good team, and they're very well organized, and they work hard for each other, and that's something that we're going to have to face, game in, game out for the rest of these games. Every team's going to be talented, and I'm just so proud of our guys for pulling together and overcoming the adversity, and finally looking the big ticket to the big show. So I'm excited for them.
All right, talk a little about your team, specifically your seniors. Their last game out here today, they're going out winning the GSAC regular season here, winning the tournament championship here, winning the opening round here, and now they get to go to Alabama and experience that.
Yeah, I mean, what a great experience for those guys, and it's a testament to all of their hard work. They've really changed this program. They're all such good kids and so coachable, and they're such good teammates that it's really good that they're able to be rewarded this way. And it's all to play for out there, and that's all you want to do is give your seniors a chance, and just thank God that we're able to do that.
All right, you guys absolutely have a great chance next Monday after Thanksgiving over in Montgomery, Alabama. We'll be with you then. We'll be watching, and we'll talk to you after that game.
Thank you very much.